Hello, guys. Welcome back. This is Paco. Nice to see you again. Today, I want to talk about dash cams. So, dash cam is not is because I like it or I want it. It's a need. It's something that we need every day while we are driving. It's good for you. Good for evidence, and it's always good to have a backup of what you see. And what a better way to do it the original way. Make it a camera that looks part of the truck, not something that you have extra or beside the mirror or hanging cables or etc. Every day we're driving everywhere on the road and accidents happen, things happen, and then we only have our word to talk about it. So nowadays, having a dash cam is not just because I want to, I like it, I like the way it looks, which actually doesn't look good because it's outside your original car looking. So I honestly don't like having a dash cam. But today I'm very excited because finally I found a camera that is Mangoal. This camera, what it has is something that is attached to the mirror or to the current setup of the truck. So instead of having a dash camera that is here on your windshield, and then it's going to be kind of on your way when you're driving, and you want to see you can get distracted or something. So with this one, we're going to remove this dash cam and we're going to attach it to the mirror area, and it's going to be kind of here or in this area, and it's going to be blocking all your views. As you can see, accidents happen. I was driving yesterday and I had a chip, um, a piece of stone, and broke the glass. But these things happen, and worse things happen as well on the road. So if you have evidence like a car or somebody hitting you or whatever, I think Mangle will be the best option to have it in an original look on your truck. Hello guys, now I'm going to show you what is in the box, what is in this kit of the Mangoal Dash Cam. This is a front and rear camera kit, and it's a specific model for the 2019 Tacomas. So come with me and I will show you how to do the unboxing of this camera. Okay, so basically this is a great kit. This is the original look of the cover for my 2019 Tacoma of third generation, and it has the camera is installed here, and it has like a cover for the lens. We are going to remove it as well, and then we have the connectors. That is a connector. I think this is for the camera, so it goes here. It has a group here and another group here, so it is only one way to connect it. Fit perfect. This one is going to this. So this one, okay, sorry. So this is the camera. This is the rear camera harness and rear camera. As you can see, it has a double side tape, so you can put it. And this camera, you can align it to different ways in order to, if you have your glass like this, you can aim it to have it in the correct location. All right, and this harness is a specific for the Tacoma, and it says the model number as well. So what is great about this model is that you only do the plug and play, so you don't have to cut any wires and anything. So with this one, we're going to connect it to the camera as well. There is only one way to connect it because it's protective with the harness, and then we have this harness for the truck, and then for the other side of the truck, because the harness will go here and this is going to the truck. So it's a plug and play kit. We have a very nice 128 gigabytes SD card. This SD card, what it's going to do is you are going to be able to save all the videos, and according to the OIS or the camera, the old videos are going to be erasing and the new ones are going to be pushing the old ones back or to the trash. And if you want to download some of this video, you can do it through the app. I will show you the instructions, and then this is only to pry a little bit or to push the wires in the trim of the car, so it doesn't get hanging cables or nothing. So we are using this kit to have the most original look on the truck. Right here we have the instructions. It looks like they have good quality instructions. They have customer service. You can scan, you can call them, you can email them. Support mangoaltech.com, and they have a Beijing time or New York time from 7 p.m. to 8:30 a.m. So they have a customer service. You can email them, and they should be able to answer. This is what it has. It has the charging cable, dash cam, car wire trim tool and cable tie, SD card or TF card. I don't know if this is different, and it has the rear camera and instructions. This one is it's a Sony technology, so it's pretty good, and all the details of this. We can do GPEG or MP4. So all the specifications are here, and we're going to go through those there. But we also have a app for Android and for iPhone. So as you can see, this says the instructions how to turn on the power or how to take a picture. So basically, if you're driving and you want to take a picture, you can push a button of this one and then take a picture. All right, let's do it. Let's do this installation and see how easy or difficult it is. Thank you. All right, let's do this. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a look. This is the original trim. What we're going to do with the supplied tool, we're going to start removing the cover. It came pretty easy. Now we see that we have two red clips. We're going to remove them as well, because we are going to use them in the other camera. So make sure to remove them carefully. So now what we're going to do, we're going to install these clips. Oh, these clips are already here, so we don't need them. So now we're going to take a look in this cover. So as we can see, this cover, here's the camera. Here's the camera. We're going to remove the cover of the lens. And we're going to use the supplied power to plug it here. We're going to find where it belongs. So this is the connector, and we have a connector here. I don't see. Okay, so as we see, this is the same connector. So what we are going to do, we're going to connect it to the supplied harness. This is going to be plug and play. There is only one way to connect it, so let's show. Oh, perfect clip. And then we're going to connect it to the area here. You see, it's perfect plug and play. And then we're going to this has a wire for the rear camera, so we're going to leave it outside. And there is another one for a GPS. This GPS optional, we are not going to use it. So we're just going to keep it here inside and see how to connect this. This is where we're going to hide all the cables. Oh, I'm sorry. So now what we have to do is not to connect this one here. We're going to leave the original one here. And this one, the plug and play, is going to go to this one, to the original one that is inside. So we do it kind of similar. So remember, don't do this and do this. There's a plug and play, plug, and then we connect it to the other one. Perfect. So now we have the device with power, and we are going to leave it here, and then we can do the cover. Just a little bit tricky, but it should be all good. So remember, these red clips are going to go in this part. So we have to slide it to the top. And once it's sitting correctly, we're going to be able to clip it. All right, perfect match. And this is for the rear camera. So now what we're going to do, we're going to get our camera and we're going to start tracking or moving this wire through all this trim that goes in on the window and then go all the way back. We're going to remove the tape for the lens, and then we're going to remove the tape. We're already clean here, so we're going to put the camera in this position because this window moves to the other side, so we are going to be able to have it here. All right, so now we're going to start the truck, and we're going to do a trial of the camera. We're going to do some driving. The camera tells you that it's recording. So let's see. As you can see, you cannot see the camera. It's part of the original look. So while I'm talking or recording, I'm going to see. We're going to put the image of the recordings to see how it works. So I just want to say I'm very happy with the camera. Once because you don't see the camera, you don't see it present, and this camera looks great. I just took a video and I will share it with you. But so it's a very complete camera, and you don't see it, and you don't have to cut any wires. So very good. Mangoal, I like it. Yeah, and then this is specific for this one, and you can see on their website if they have for different cars. This is a Kia 2022 Sorento. So yeah, thank you.